Aerobatics in this aeroplane, which was built as an N2S2 model for the US Navy. It's been owned for some time by Tim Manor, the boss of Kennett Aviation, an ex-US Navy pilot himself flying the Lockheed P-3 Orion maritime patrol aircraft. And Tim kept it out at Kissimmee in Florida before he moved it to join the rest of his collection in the UK at Old Warden Aerodrome in Bedfordshire. And it made its first flight in the UK at that airfield on the 7th of May 2021. And I think this is only the third display that I know of that it's done at a major air show. It made a couple of appearances at Shuttle and Collection shows at Old Warden last year. So very nice to see it being flown here at Cosford on its first major away outing. The skies at the American training bases of the Second World War